LUS Fiber is the only municipally owned fiber-to-the-home system in Louisiana. We currently serve Lafayette Parish, but in the upcoming years, we plan to reach out to other parishes and double our footprint. Customer satisfaction is a top priority for LUS Fiber. We average about a 95% customer satisfaction. What we started to notice was that our previous wireless solution wasn't able to keep up with the customer demand. We had to be able to match fiber connected speeds with a Wi-Fi solution that was able to keep up and provide that exceptional level of service.
The challenges that we had were that we had so many different tools of our existing wireless solution. And when looking at the NWCC solution, it combined all of these into one single pane of glass and made it very simple for us to deploy. We decided to work with Nokia. We were already familiar with their support. We were actually very pleased to hear that they had this solution, this offering. And when testing it out, all of the metrics and the coverage area of the devices that they had to offer performed very well compared to any of the other offerings on the market today.
One of the biggest opportunities that this Nokia solution provided for us was a robust solution that was able to compete with some of the larger providers in the area. It allowed a cost effectiveness on the product itself, as well as enabled a large number of operational efficiencies. We're able to deploy these multi-tenants without having to deploy multiple ONTs. We're able to leverage this Wi-Fi system to deliver the speeds and the quality of experience that would come from a traditional wired service.
One of the biggest challenges was having a single solution that would offer you everything you need to support a wireless deployment. Biggest being a centralized management solution for wireless device firmware.
The home console was able to decrease our install time frame, as well as give our tech support team the graphical interface so they could easily troubleshoot and easily identify what the issues that the customer was experiencing, identify them, and quickly resolve them.
The home console allowed us to quickly identify the most correct place to put the devices in the home and to identify those holes in the coverage area. There's actual error message that pop up when devices fall out, when there's too many devices connected to a singular node. And this solution, unlike any of the others out there, actually offer our technicians and operations support person the ability to identify those themselves without the need of actually having to contact an engineer.
Since deploying it over the past year and a half, we've seen increased performance, and our surveys are actually coming back to that 95% customer satisfaction. So we are seeing a notable improvement. Having a central management system is critical, not only for us today with our existing base, but as we plan to grow in the future.
We are very pleased with Nokia's professional services. It was very quick, very seamless integration with the LUS Fiber system.
Nokia is a proven partner for LUS Fiber. We're committed to them. We're committed to their technology. We're great relationship with their R&D down to their sales team. We believe that our partnership with Nokia and the NWCC platform was the ultimate solution. The future is bright for LUS Fiber, and as we continue to expand throughout the Acadiana region, we plan on doubling our customer base in the upcoming years. This was a product that we had to have. We're proud to have it, and we think it's going to go a lot of places.